Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here at Walmart for my midweek video for you guys. This should be so easy. I have a lot of resets on. I ain't gonna lie. But there's been so many resets, so many repeats lately. But I'm not mad at it because it's just making it that much easier to knock it out. So for my midweek, I need 15 rebates for $5. We're also still tracking for the Splish Splash as well. And so hopefully I'll be able to finish that off with our weekend bonus, which is cool. That's always the goal. And I believe I'm gonna be able to do it. Even if I have to get some gift cards. Like I told y'all, I've been doing the gift cards as a backup if I need to rather than overspend. And so I'll just get a Walmart gift card, especially if I'm going in to buy something. Like I've been getting stuff here as far as David and stuff like that. So if I know I'm going to spend the money here anyways, I'll go ahead and just get a gift card because at least it'll count towards a bonus. All right. So I've been doing that. And that's been really coming through for your girl. Plus we have cereal like crazy at CVS. So that's another way you can knock out our chip at your bonus as well. Getting like different cereals. And there's like upwards of 5 or 6 different ones that work for different rebates at CVS, which really, really helps. All of that cereal that I'm getting you guys, I'm donating it. As a matter of fact, I'm putting together a box now to donate to the homeless shelter, which I got to donate all of the cereal, all of the Keebler cookies that we've been getting because we haven't been eating them. And I've been giving them to my sister. So I'm going to donate all of those as well. And what else I have? I still have a bunch of those candy bar things. And yeah, so I'm putting together stuff right now to donate. I actually have stuff in the trunk I have to take over on my way home. But I didn't want to have the food stuff sitting in my car while I record my video. So I'll probably make a trip back out this way to drop that stuff off. It's just a local homeless shelter. I like to donate it. It's a family shelter, which is what I really love. So I pretty much only donate there, outside of just giving stuff to my family. But anyway, so listen. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. So without further ado, let's head in the store and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today at Walmart. So this next deal is going to be on the Kellogg Fruit Loops. It's on the little cups. They're priced at $1.34. We're going to grab one of these, get back $1 on Ibotta, making it 34 cents. Limit on this is 5, so I've been maxing it out every time, which is really awesome and really quick. One of you guys has said it wasn't attaching for you. You know, earlier when this rebate first popped up, I tried it. I tried all the cups and none of them worked, but then I just happened to try it again and it worked for me. So yeah, maxing this out every time. All right, the next thing that we're grabbing is the Gatorade Fit. They're stocking that whole aisle. These are priced at $1.38. We're grabbing one of them, getting back 64 cents on Ibotta, making that 64 cents. The other thing I grabbed as well, again, is the Zoa energy drink, which is priced at $1.48. I'll pop up a picture of it. They don't carry it at this store. I got it yesterday, making that only 48 cents. Of course. And it's crazy because this deal the last 2 days and the receipts went straight through. I checked it right now and it's now 900 kicks, so it went down. So I'm not going to be doing that no more. So y'all should be happy. Y'all not going to ever see this deal again. So you already know we're grabbing one price at $2.94, one price at $3.13, getting back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.40, 50 cents on Ibotta, making one of them a $1.77 moneymaker, the other a $1.96 moneymaker. Again, kicks did drop, so yeah, I won't be doing this deal anymore. So I bet y'all super happy about that. But you know what? I ain't gonna lie, I probably got like 50 bags for this one deal, which is so awesome. And moneymaker on top of that. Yeah. And then there's the Weathers Originals, priced at $2.74. You're grabbing a total of 2 of them. You go into paying $5.48 out of pocket. And then you'll get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta, plus we'll get back $2 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then last but not least, we've got 31 cents for each one on checkout 51. It'll bring them down to only 93 cents each. Y'all might be in luck, because I don't want to say y'all might be in luck, but because some of y'all actually are killing this deal just like I am. But it's on the Coca-Cola Ultimate. Yeah, I've been killing this deal. I've been doing it almost every day. But I think it might be dead now. I think it might be done. In my last video, I thought it was done, but it wasn't. And so for this, I'm grabbing them in sets of 4. Priced at $208. Paying $8.32 out of pocket and getting back $7 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are to I think my points conversion is a little higher, so getting back $7.48. So on there it makes them 21 cents each. On the other apps it makes them 33 cents each, which is not bad. I want to say that David might be over this soda. He's like, can you get me Sprite? I'm like, there ain't no deal for Sprite. Josiah, can you give me Starry? There ain't no deal for Starry. There's a deal for Coke, so we can Coke. And so yeah, but I think David's definitely over it. Josiah wasn't really into it. My dad was just like a no-go altogether. If you guys have tried it and you like it, let me know in the comments. Well, if you don't like it, let me know in the comments too. That we're grabbing is the Weathers Originals. This is the smaller bags. They're priced at $128. You want to grab two, you'll pay $2.56, get back 25 cents for each on Ibotta, plus $8.50 on My Points Swagbucks inbox or Tada, and then 31 cents on Checkout 51. Now I did this deal, the first time I did it, I submitted for 4 of them, and then I still had 1 left, so I did it a second time and just bought 2 bags and submitted for 1 of them. So it made, the first time I did the deal, it made it a 6-cent moneymaker, and the second time, because I was just redeeming for 1 of them on Checkout 51, it made it 25 cents for both of them, which is still not bad. Alright, next up is the Raid. I've done this deal the last couple of days. I'm hoping it will reset for me today. Who remembers when we were doing deals on like the fly swatters and we were getting them for like, I think they were moneymaker because they were like the cheapest item. I don't see any. Do they even still sell fly swatters? Oh yeah, they do. They still sell fly swatters, but they had some Raid ones. For the rebate on Ibotta is $2 back. You could also grab this right here, the fly stick at $2.97, and it would be 97 cents, but I'm grabbing the fly ribbon price at $2.24 and then getting back $2, making that only 24 cents with a limit of 3. So I've been maxing that one out as well every time it resets. So this next deal is on the California Scents. Why did I say it like that? The California Scents car fresheners. They are shelf price for $3.12, but the 1.5 ounce is a little cheap. Well, it's a lot cheaper. It's $2.12. So when I scanned it, it did still scan for $3.12. So I had to have the cashier price match it for me for $2.12. So I grabbed a total of 4 of them. I ended up paying $8.48 out of pocket, and then I got back $3 for on My Points. With the conversion, it ended up being $6.41 though, and then $3 back on Checkout 51. So it made all 4 free plus a 93-cent moneymaker. So next up is on the Revlon. Now with this Revlon deal, the rebate, I did it yesterday using the BOGO offer, and then when it popped up today, it's $5. So there's one for $5 for eye as well as for lips. So if you are able to price match the plum color, which is $6.65 I believe, for $2.01, which is what I've been doing. Yesterday I grabbed 2 of them. I paid $4.02 and got back $6.70 from Ibotta. And then I submitted on Alexa and got back $3, making it a $5.68 moneymaker. The other item that I was able to price match was number 105. I think those are in the wrong spot up there. They're down here. For this one, if you can price match number 105, which is brunette, you're price matching in the online price, which is $2.54. You'll pay $5.08 for 2, get back $7.50 on Ibotta. And then I also got back $3 on Shopmium and Alexa, so I made it an $8.42 moneymaker. Now, I didn't submit for the lip one on Shopmium because I didn't activate it prior to purchase. So when I do it again, I'll be able to utilize that, which is really cool. Now, if you want to use the $5 rebate, you would grab one at $2.01 and get back 5. So it'd be a $2.99 moneymaker. And then for this one down here, you'd pay $2.54 and get back 5, so it would make this one down here a $2.46 moneymaker. Limit on this one for the $5 rebate is 1. Limit on the lip is 5. So if you can max this out, that would be an awesome moneymaker. Of course, if you can find clearance, even better deal, I'm sure. All right, this next deal is going to be on the Degree Unlimited. It is a deal on insiders. I saw somebody post this on Instagram a few weeks ago, and I kind of signed up for it but didn't really, follow through with it. But then Miss Eunice posted a deal in one of her last videos on this. I thought it was worth trying out again, and so I did buy 2 different ones. I'm gonna grab one of the sticks at $9.43 and one of the sprays at $10.48. I paid $19.91 out of pocket and get back $30 on Insiders, making this a $10.09 moneymaker. Alright, so this next deal is on the Vitafusion. It's on the 50 plus multis, the men and the women, which are priced at $7.68. Now I did this deal yesterday. I had and just maxed it out and grabbed 2 of each. I ended up paying $30.72 out of pocket and then got back $2.50 for each on Ibotta. On checkout 51 we got back, I submitted it for the melatonin one and it was $2.97 for each one. That one did go through. And then $12 back on Swagbucks, making it a $3.76 moneymaker. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I guess we're not done with the Coke because I thought it was gone and it popped up again once I got home. So I'm not even gonna say that I'm done with it because if it's still there tomorrow, I'll probably go do it again. And so I'm just putting it out there. Alright, but other than that, this haul worked out really good. One thing that I'm going to have to get back into doing is writing the app on the bottom of my receipt, especially when I have duplicate or like receipts. So I had an issue with my points. I didn't get credit for one of the Coke deals, and they kept getting the days mixed up, and I'm like, it's not that day. I did it on that day too. I got credit for that day. So, they said, oh, you know, you already got credit for the 23rd. And then I did it yesterday and it was like, oh, you already got credit for the 26th. I said, clearly it's not the 26th. That was yesterday. I obviously, it's not that day. It's the 20th. And so, and I sent them a screenshot. And then they say, oh, can you send a better picture of the receipt because it's not clear. I'm like, y'all full of it. So I got my receipts for that day and I sent the first one. So if they tell me that one's been submitted, then I'll just try another one. But I have to get back into writing the app on the bottom of my receipts again so that it just makes it easier so you know which receipts were for which apps in case this happens. Any occasion I can always return them and repurchase them if I needed to. But so listen, so that was the only issue as far as this and that wasn't really a big issue. Other than that, everything else worked out really good. I didn't have any coupons at all for Walmart. I did throw in the few deals I did at CVS. I did Colgate at CVS with the mouthwash because I really don't do mouthwash that much. So I figured it was a great deal. I'll have a breakdown in the Google Doc, but they were basically $4.99 each. I had a 3 off of 18. I had a 5 off 3 digital, and then I also had a 75-cent printable. I paid like 11 something. And then I got back the 10. So it made it like less than $1.25 for all 4 of those. So I might run that deal again. And I went ahead and did whole blends and fruities as well. One of you guys was asking if that was still glitching. It has been for me. And so I did that this morning and it was still working. I haven't did CoverGirl because I'm out of coupons. So I'm hoping I can get my inserts for next week early so that I can go ahead and do that deal. Because I mean, I'm going to still do the money makers across the board and the freebies across the board too. Because I figured, why not? Other than that, you guys, that's basically it for this haul. So everything that you see here retails $207 and 83 cents. I had $20.75 in coupons. I was at CVS. And then I paid $187 out of pocket, $187.08. And I walk away with, well, I got back the $30 from the Insider, which I actually haven't got it back yet. I got to do the review first. Ibotta is $64.14. Swagbucks was $20. My points was $22.98. Inbox dollars was $7. Tada's $22.50. Checkout 51 was $16.43. Shopkick was $17.60. ShopMium is $6, and Alexa is $6. And then of course we have the $14 in extra care bucks on the deals that we did. So it basically makes everything you see here free plus a $25 and 67-cent moneymaker plus the extra care bucks. Or if you want to take the $30 gift card off and say that it was a net cost of like somewhere in the neighborhood of like 40-50 cents with the $30 gift card and 14 extra care bucks, we could do that too. Like we could do that too. And so other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching from, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.